and we have completed our lesson. No, living things and non-living things. I gave you hard words too. Did I give you hard words? Did you learn the hard words? Yes, did you learn the hard words? Now I am going to do you all the textbook exercises and question answers. Yes. Open page number 127. Page number 127. Open page number 127. Pause. Pause now. Now I'll do all these exercises for you. Come on, start writing in your term book. Yes, first choose the correct answer. Second bit, page number 127, children. 127. Yes. Dash are living things. Chairs, plants, stones. Which are living things? Plants. Come on, write. First one. What is the correct option? B. Yes. Second one. Dash is a natural thing. Which is a natural thing, children? God-made things are natural things. Moon, building, road. Moon, buildings, roads are man-made. So, moon is a natural thing. Moon. Right A. Okay, third one. Third one. Dash are non-living things. Children, birds, books. Books are non-living things. Come on, write C. Fourth one. Dash produce more of their own kind. Yes, living things. Living things. Okay, come on, write A. Over, children. Shall I say next bit? Go to fill in the blanks. Third bit, fill in the blanks. Page number 128. Third bit, fill in the blanks. Okay, children. First one. The things that are made by man are called? Things that are made by man are called? What things are made by man are called as man-made things. Man-made things. Okay? Man-made things. Second one. The flower of the dash plant turns to face the sun. Which plant flower will turn, children? Sunflower. Sunflower plant flower will turn its face. Yes. All living things need dash to breathe. What do we breathe? We breathe air. Dash means to produce more of one's own kind. Reproduction. R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-T-I-O-N. Reproduction. Have you all written? Reproduction. Right, children? Now, plants can give rise to a new plant using roots, stem, and seed or leaves. Okay? Come on, right? Over. Now, shall I say you the puzzle? Puzzle, children. Shall I say you the puzzle? Yes. How do you have a puzzle, you see? Like this you have. Okay. Here you are going to write P-R-E-P-A-R-E. Prepare. First one. Now from here, E. What you are going to write? R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-T-I-O-N. Reproduction. Okay. Now here, O. M-O-V-E. Move. Have you written move? Then here, ईकन. Prepare. ईकन क्या लिखना? Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Have you wrote flower? O के पास क्या लिखना? G-R-O-W. Grow. G-R-O-W. Grow. यहाँ पर F-A-C-E. Face. Over. Come on, complete the puzzle. Now we are going to do activity zone. Have you all finished? Now I am going to say you the activity zone, children. Which are man-made things, which are non-living things. Natural things you are going to write there. Okay? See. Man is made by God. So, in the box you write N. Man के नीचे box है ना, उसमें N लिखना. Chair is made by man made thing. Now house. घर भी कौन बनाते हैं? हम लोग ही बनाते हैं ना. भगवान घर बना के भेजते हैं हमारे लिए? नहीं. M. Trees are made by God. Those are natural things. Over. Now go to next page. Go to next page. Have you went? Yes. Be big children. Be big. Tree is a living thing. Which is a living thing? Which is a non-living thing? Yes. Tree will grow now. Whenever we put water, it will grow. So it is a living thing. Gate will grow? No, it is a non-living thing. Elephant is also a living thing. Insect is also a living thing. Now train is non-living thing. Now fish is also living thing. Now radio is non-living thing. Robot is also a non-living thing. Now seabed children. What about seabed? Sit in a garden. Yes, go and sit in one garden. Observe things around you and make a list of few living things and few non-living things that you can find it. Garden में जो आपको दिखते हैं living things, non-living things और लिखो बोल रहे. Okay? Yes, come on, right. Like this you have now living things, non-living things. Okay, like this you have there. Now write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, children. Trees. पार्क में कौन कौन दिखते हैं? Trees, animals भी रहते हैं, birds भी रहते हैं पार्क में. झाड़ों पे birds आके बैठते हैं ना? Yes. Now one more you say children. Insects you write. Insects. छोटे छोटे कीड़े भी रहते हैं ना ग्रास में. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. स्लाइड्स. देन स्विंग्स बोले तो झूले. स्विंग्स. बेंचेस. देन व्हाट यू हैव? गेट. पार्क का गेट भी है ना, वो भी नॉन लिविंग थिंग है. और yes, in park what do we have? Train. Some parks have train also. Yes, won't we have? Enough, write only that much. Yes, and the D1, D8, you have to draw one non-living thing, one living thing. See, living thing बोल के है ना, वहाँ पर एक फिश ड्रॉ करो. ऐसा फिश ड्रॉ करो. ये है लिविंग थिंग. ओके चिल्ड्रन, कम ऑन ड्रॉ. लाइक दिस यू ड्रॉ फिश, लिविंग थिंग. ओके. नॉन लिविंग थिंग क्या ड्रॉ करते हैं? पेंसिल, चेयर, कुछ भी ड्रॉ करो. आपको जो इजी है वो ड्रॉ करो. नॉन लिविंग थिंग, चेयर, बेंच, पेंसिल. ओके. गेट. यस, आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ पेंसिल. पेंसिल इज अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग. ओके. ऐसा रहता ना पेंसिल. कम ऑन ड्रॉ. Come on. Non-living thing. Over. Shall I give question answers now? Over. Chalo. Go to question answers now. Come on, open page number 126. Shall I rub it? Draw like that, children. Yes. Page number 126. We'll write question answers. Go. Yes. Now we are going to write page number 126. Page number 126. Question answers. मैं जो लिख रहा हूँ वही लिख लो बस है. First answer children. There is a question. Here only you write the question answers. Question यहाँ पर है. यहाँ लिखो answer. First answer. Living things. Living. Living. Things. Living things. What is the question? Why do living things need food? Living things need food to grow. Living things need food to grow and to get energy. Come on, did you all copy? This is the first answer. Yes. Leave off second answer. Second answer छोड़ दो. No need to write second answer. Okay? Come on, write third one now. Third answer. Leave second answer children. Third one you write. How do fish and cockroach breathe? Fish breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Fish breathe using gills. फिश को दो गिल्स रहते ब्रीथ करने के लिए, सांस लेने के लिए. ओके. नाउ कॉकरोच ब्रीथ using spiracles. Yes. Over. Now leave off fourth answer. Write fifth one. जो भी मैं लिखा रहे वो लिखे तो बस है, पूरे लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. How do plants reproduce? How do plants reproduce? Plants reproduce with the help of seeds. Plants reproduce with the help of seeds. With the help of seeds. Okay children, finished? Yes. Now I am going to write sixth answer. Shall I rub these three? Yes. Sixth answer, you make a column between. Yes, बीच में आप लोगों को लाइन्स है ना, बीच में ऐसा लाइन ड्रॉ कर लो. यहाँ पर लिखो फर्स्ट पॉइंट, यहाँ पर फर्स्ट पॉइंट. लिविंग थिंग्स L-I-V-I. Sixth answer children. L-I-V-I-N-G. Living things need food and water. Food and water. Non-living things को जरूरी है food and water? Non-living things do not need food. Okay? Come on, right. Second point, children. They grow. Living things, they grow, breathe, feel and reproduce. Okay? Non-living things, they do not grow, move, do not grow, move, do not grow, they do not grow, move, breathe, do not move, breathe, nor reproduce. Over, children. With this, we have completed the whole lesson. Okay? Learn them, children. Whatever I am giving, you have to learn them. Thank you.